You're watching this video because you want to stop trading like everyone else and finally trade like the 1% who use systems, structure and automation. If you want to trade like a pro, you can't just click buttons and hope for the best. Think of algorithmic trading like Formula 1. You don't win races by vibing your way around the track. You win because your car, your setup and your team are dialed in. Right now, you and I, we are building your first race car together. Engine, tires, safety systems, everything that makes the bot actually run. In trading terms, getting MetaTrader, setting up your broker and installing your first trading bot. This is the foundation every profitable algo trader stands on. And most beginners skip it. They rush it, going too fast and crash in the first corner. But not you. If you follow this video step by step, you will already be ahead of 90% of traders who never learn the basics. This is the foundation. Build this right and everything else becomes 10x easier. Tuning and racing, alias backtesting and live trading, comes later. For now, let's get your machine assembled. At this point of time, you have already downloaded your trading bot on your computer. And if not, check out the link down below in the video description to access your first trading bot completely templatized. So for you, I will plug a bread and butter trading bot, which is a breakout system, which is going to look something like this on your canvas. And the only thing you have to do here is in the upper right corner, clicking on EX5 and download the file onto your computer. The file you have in your hand right now should look something like this with an ending .ex5, and from here you're ready to go setting up MetaTrader 5. And a super quick side note, if you don't want the hassle of setting all this up on your own computer, we also offer a fully pre-configured Profectus server, trading bots installed, high quality tick data ready, MT5 optimized. It's running 24/7, no sleep, no crashes, no my laptop updated overnight disasters anymore. It's the fastest way to get into algo trading, especially for beginners who want zero friction and advanced traders who finally want a stable setup. We partner with Forex VPS, the gold standard in the trading industry, so you're literally getting pro-level infrastructure for a small monthly buck. If you want the fast track, all details are linked below. Now let's get you started with a step-by-step tutorial in how to set it up yourself. The very beginning of every algorithmic trading journey is MetaTrader 5. For that, you simply need to punch in metatrader5.com, where you have to download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. In case you are a Mac OS user, check out the link down below in the video description for a specific step-by-step tutorial for Mac OS users. So for now, I will walk you through as a Windows user. You see in your download section MT5 setup.execution file. You simply click on the file, the end user license agreement pops up, click on next, and within a couple of seconds the platform downloads and MetaTrader 5 will ramp up the very first time on your computer. This is how it's gonna look like when you initiate MetaTrader 5. For now, simply ignore all the buttons and all the different kind of windows you currently see here, because our sole goal is to get the just downloaded trading bot running on real price data while watching it in visual mode to really see what the trading system is doing on the charts. And for that, you need to sign up with a broker, so you get the data feed into MetaTrader 5 that for now is missing, and if you would start to backtest without a broker account, an error would occur. For that, you pick your preferred broker. Profectus is an official affiliate with Black Bull Markets, a very reputational broker, which affiliate link you will also find down below in the video description. And through the Black Bull sign up flow, I will walk you through the KYC to get your eventually very first trading account, which will be a demo account, very important. So it's completely free and you do not need to fund it with real money. We only need pretty much the account number and a password, so we can punch those credentials into MetaTrader 5 to fetch the real price data. This is the goal. When you have clicked the affiliate link of Black Bull Markets, you will get to this sign up page where you punch in your email and you fill in all your personal details. What they simply need to know, since they are regulated also within the EU and eventually need those information if one day you want to fund it with real money. So once we fill it in, copy paste the verification code we just received in our emails. To fulfill the sign up with Black Bull Markets, we need to fill in some further information. Afterwards, you have to choose your trading preferences, some further information about your employment. You simply click on next. In the next step, you're being asked to upload a proof of your ID, but we can skip this for later when we want to create a live account with real money, but we don't want to do this. Same for the proof of address. We simply will do this in the future when we want to trade real money, but for now, we only want to get the demo account. Now you simply click on the left-hand side on trading accounts, click on demo, clicking here on the create demo account, and you you can pretty much keep all the settings as is. Maybe we go with a slightly higher leverage so we don't run into any margin issues, and we also increase our balance to 100k. We keep the account type at standard for now. Et voila, you will have your very first demo trading account and all the credentials now you need. You simply copy the account number, you return to your MetaTrader 5 platform, then you simply go here in the lower right corner, click on this section, then on login. In the login field, you simply paste the account number, then you type in your password, and for the server, you simply go back to this window. You see the server name sits right here. Sometimes for other brokers, they have different kind of servers such as demo 1, 2, 3. Here in that case, we simply have Black Bull Markets demo. So we simply paste it right here, click on OK. And then usually it takes a couple of seconds until MetaTrader confirms the connection to the trading account. But once it's set up for good. Once you logged in, it's going to look something like this. You now have access to real live data provided by, in that case, Black Bull Markets. And you can see this, for example, via the Market Watch window. Now we want to upload our trading bot that we have just downloaded before. So we go to our folder, we go to the file and copy it, going back to MetaTrader 5. And now we have to do a couple of clicks, but they are very simple and straightforward. It's becoming a second nature very soon. Here in the upper left corner, you click on File, then you go to Open Data Folder. In this window, you simply click on MQL5, then you click on Experts, then you are in the Trading Bot section. I don't know for what reason, but MetaTrader 5 is always pre-configured with some trading bots up front, which are completely useless. Just for your own sake, you can go ahead and delete those to keep it clean and nice for yourself and create your own folders to simply have a little bit of structure in keeping your different kind of systems nice and tight. I really suggest you to start creating folders from the get-go. In that case, I will simply call this folder my first trading bot. I will go into the folder and paste the execution file of the trading bot I've just downloaded before. Now we can close this window and we go to the navigator, which is this window, and then you click here on Expert Advisor and you see the files that we've already deleted are still there, because now you need to right click on Expert Advisor, go down and click on refresh, and now you see our own folder as well as the trading bot with it. And now we want to run this trading bot in visual mode. We want to see what it is doing. For that, you go here in the upper left corner again, clicking on View, then you click on Strategy Tester. Now this window is popping up. We can also close the toolbox, which we do not need for now, which is more for live trading or forward testing. Then you click here on Single. And now this breakout strategy is, among others, but also specifically developed for Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. I will simply type it in. I don't have it here actually in my list. So what I have to do is simply going to the Market Watch. Here, click to add. I type in Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. It's popping up. I click on it, enter, and now it's here in the list. And this means it's also going to pop up here in the symbol list in our strategy tester. So depending on your trading bot, it's really best to check upfront on what kind of asset the trading bot is supposed to run on, as well as the time frame, which in my case is Great British Pound, Japanese Yen, the 1 hour time frame. I'll keep the date on its default settings last year, and the modeling also every tick, which is the most accurate way of testing. But now we want to test in visual mode, so we actually see what the trading bot is doing. And now we will navigate here to the lower right corner, click on Start. What is happening right now, the second window is popping up, which is the visual mode. This was our goal. It's taking a moment to show up. Et voila, congratulations. At this point of time, you've just started up your trading bot in visual mode and MetaTrader 5, and you see exactly what this system is doing. Let me explain you what you see. Obviously here you see the price chart, time and price. On the right hand side, the date window, which simply is showing us the different kind of dates. When we're hovering over here, the chart, what is the price data, open, high, low, close, and tick volume. Can be quite interesting for the analysis you're doing. Then here it's open up on default on the history tab. What I personally prefer is here keeping it on the deals side, because then we can exactly see when a trade was taken and closed. Then besides this, we also have the trade tab, and we see when we are stopping it right here, the system that I've taken here is working with limit orders. So now here, obviously, the condition was met for this system to place a long order at this price level. We can actually zoom in by clicking here on the plus. I will slow down the price development by using this bar, putting it a little bit to the left, so we can really see when this trade will be taken. And here in the trade tab, we also see the exact information of this pending order, the price level, as well as the stop loss and the take profit. Now we see that the trade was just opened. Let me quickly pause it right here, zoom out again. And this system is having a massive take profit because it's really trying to fetch the breakouts of the price on Great British Pound and Japanese yen, but it is also having a trailing stop loss, which simply means that when the price is moving 1%, the stop loss is trailing right behind securing initial profits on the taken trade. And while we are watching, we can also see the current development here, the profits of this trade. Now in that case, it was not a profitable one. A second trade was just opened. You see the closed trade here now in our history tab. Let me pause it right here. When we double click on this line, exactly where it was opened, right here. And when we double click on the sell outline, we see also exactly when the position was closed, what is right here, what comes in very handy when you have a long list of many trades and you're going through them so you can visualize and check them out one by one. So in that case, you just see how the stop loss in my system is now trailing, what is super nice because now I can really see of what this system is doing and what the logic does. What truly helps, especially as a starter who's just getting into algorithmic trading and struggling with the abstract nature of algorithmic trading, this really helps to get a grip on what it actually means to trade with a trading system that is fully automated. Let me close this window right here because now I want to give you a little mini lesson. I'm going back to Profectus AI from where I downloaded this breakout system. And now I want to fiddle around particularly a little bit with the trailing logic. For that, I'll click here on Trail Stop Loss. I open the stop loss and take profit section. And here for the stop loss, I want to see how the system is behaving when I change the logic based on candle ID to candle ID 1, which simply means now I'm looking back on the very recent candle low to trail my stop loss. I also suggest to only change one thing at a time, which is a best practice. So we stay true to our principle, keeping it sophisticated, simple. Now we're going to download the new trading system, clicking here on EX5. Then you simply copy paste the newly downloaded execution file. You go back to your MetaTrader 5 platform, click on File, Open Data folder. If it's not still open, click on Experts, my first trading bot, and simply pasting the new execution file. Then what we have to do, clicking on Refresh. So now the new trading bot is popping up and it's also now showing here in our list. We simply choose the new one, starting it up again. And there you have it. Now the new system is running and now we should see that the trading logic is much tighter. You see that it's now being placed directly below the most recent candle low in that case. Now we should see it once again. We see here the stop loss again trailed on the most recent low of the prior candle. So it's very tight. Not sure if I would like to keep this kind of logic, but you see the changes that you do within Profectus AI is having a direct impact, obviously, on how the system is behaving. And I would say this is really the fun part in figuring out the puzzle yourself on what is a viable trading edge and what are the tweaks and nudges you can do yourself to add your very own 5 cents to the many different kind of templates we are providing on Profectus AI, on which we have a huge library of pre-built systems provided to you, so you do not have to start from scratch, even though of course you can do so. But especially as a beginner, I think it's fantastic that you don't have to start anymore with a blank page. I want to close up this video with a little life hack when we are minimizing the window, so we are not closing it. The calculation is going to be a little bit faster because now your computer doesn't need to care anymore to visualize. And now we can also see the balance equity curve, aka the hardcore outcome of your system, how it's doing. So now you see it's running a little bit faster, and then when you see, for example, oh, there was a massive loss or a massive win, you can simply jump back in, stop the system, go through the trades here in the list, jump back in time and see all the trades piece by piece how it is doing.